Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav says that there should be a thorough investigation into the technical reasons behind the discussion about Vinesh Fogart not being able to play in the final, and it should be ensured what is the truth and the real reason behind it. Of course, the pertinent question of the hour, there should be a thorough investigation, is again what Akhilesh Yadav is saying. The truth should come out is again what he is insinuating. So again, unfortunate developments we're tracking. This of course comes after Vinesh Fogart in fact defeated the undefeated. I'm in fact referring to the match that she had with Yui Sasaki, who's the world #1 wrestler, and in fact she also said that this was one of her toughest matches. So again, this is very, very shocking news coming in at this point of time. My colleague Arzu is with us on the broadcast to give us more on this. Arzu, Akhilesh Yadav has of course made comments, and he said that there should be a thorough investigation, into the technicality of the matter. If you could give our viewers an understanding on that front.
Well, yes, the political reaction that's now coming in regarding the Vinesh Fogart disqualification from the Paris Olympic, and now Akhilesh Yadav, the former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, has tweeted and said that there should be a thorough investigation into the technical reason behind the Vinesh Fogart's inability to play in the final, and assured that the trust is ascertained and the real reason behind it understood. He also demanded to conduct a thorough investigation into why Vinesh Fogart was unable to compete in the final, and several steps must be undertaken. Gathering preliminary information, collect all the relevant information, including medical reports, training logs, and the statement from Vinesh Fogart and her coaching team. This is what Akhilesh Yadav means by saying that there should be an investigation, review any communication between Fogart, her coach, and the event organizer leading up to the final. Medical evaluation should be done, technical and logistic aspects should be checked. So there are a lot of things that needs to be done, and this is what the Akhilesh Yadav has focused on, saying that there should be he tweeted in Hindi saying that Vinesh Fogart के final में ना खेल पाने की चर्चा तकनीकी कारणों की गहराई जांच पड़ताल हो और सुनिश्चित किया जाए कि सच्चाई क्या है और इसके पीछे की असली वजह क्या है. So completely you can see that Akhilesh Yadav demanding a investigation in this entire matter. Yes.
Right, absolutely. In fact, still with us on the broadcast is Mr. Syed Farooq Kamal. Sir, again, the right questions, the pertinent questions, they're being raised by Akhilesh Yadav. What if it was a technical issue due to which Vinesh Fogart was weighed 100 grams extra? That could of course be the possibility. Why not? Why is there no thorough investigation that's taking place at this point of time? In such circumstances, what should in fact, there should of course be a thorough investigation.
This is of course the thorough investigation has to be taken place definitely, and then the question is like why there's the last minute and the last before the fight, and then all these complications or problems are being happen, and why does she is not allowed to fight the final fight? What is the reason exactly? See, the weighing is done long back, and then everything, then she has been given the clean sheet to fight, and then she has almost fought like the same category up to semi-finals, and then after reaching the finals, then that's my question is then why does this, and after reaching to the finals, why these things all have been stopped, and why these things have been raised, why these things have been again rechecked the weighing back, then how come it came then 100 grams then extra? Then does it being happen to each and every individual, those who are taking fight among themselves in either boxing, either in this wrestling, or others also in the same thing being happen? If everything is happening by accordingly to the parameters of this IOA, that they are looking into the complete with total eye within every individual in that manner, then we don't know exactly what the technical point and technical issue that they have been raised about it. So we have to just wait and watch unless the thorough investigation comes, or the clean the investigation which is has to come from basically our officials, those who have been traveled, those who have been with them. So they should also can give the correct answer. Why is it all happen exactly? Why does it been raised? Why this thing after reaching to the final, then this question was been arrived, then you're checking the weighing, then back again. See, when you check the weighing and then you have allowed them to fight after moving to semi-final, then reaching in final, then suddenly this all things have been coming. So something I think there should be thorough investigation should go on, so that competitors should always feel very happy, and unless they can too rectify then what is exactly like this situation, these things happens in the different parameters that they range you in different categories. So let's see about it, how does that Indian Olympic committee will take up all these actions, and then they'll look into the total points, then what is exactly
Right.
the issue is.
Absolutely. Requesting you to stay on with us. In fact, joining us at this point of time is Mr. Yudhishthar Singh, wrestling coach. Thank you so much for taking out time and speaking to us on NewsX. बहुत अफसोस की बात है कि आज मैच के बिल्कुल पहले, फाइनल मैच के पहले ये खबर आ रही है कि विनेश फोगाट जी को डिस्क्वालीफाई कर दिया गया है। इस पे चर्चा, अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो होनी चाहिए, आपको क्या लगता है हमारे इंडिया के ऑप्शंस क्या हैं अभी?
हेलो,
हाँ जी मिस्टर सिंह, आप के लिए सवाल था ये।
हाँ जी, इस पे अभी जांच होनी चाहिए जी। देखो कितना बड़ा, मतलब ओलंपिक में पहली बार हमारा खिलाड़ी वहां तक पहुंचा है, उसने 3 बाउट कुश्ती की जीती है नहीं, और कितना संघर्ष उसके जीवन में रहा है, और देखो कितना संघर्ष करने के बाद वो वहां पे वो 3 बाउट जीत के वहां पहुंची है, और अब उसके साथ ये जो भेदभाव हो रहा है, तो ये एक राजनीति के तहत मुझे लगता है, मुझे अपने विचारों से लगता है कि राजनीति के तहत उसके साथ कुछ वो हो रहा है, क्योंकि जितने जो ओलंपिक की जो टीम गई है, जो उनके रक्षक गए हुए हैं, जो उनके डॉक्टर लोग गए हुए, जो पूरी कमेटी गई हुई है, ये उनकी जिम्मेदारी बनती थी।
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.